हे वेंचणुकेन जो विजय जो योस आमकां मेळटलो हो योस फक्त पणजे मतदारसंघाचो न्हू प्रत्येक गोंयकारांक आनी देखून आमी आयज आमच्या पणजेच्या मतदार जे आहा पणजेकार भाव आनी भयण आहा तांचे तांय मागतात खालतीकायेन मागतात की ह्यो वेंचणुक्यो साद्यो वेंचणुक्यो न्हू ह्यो वेंचणुक्यो म्हत्वाच्यो वेंचणुक्यो देखून तांचो आदार तांचो सहकार आनी तांचो आशिर्वाद काँग्रेस पक्षाक दिवपाक म्हजे नदरेन पणजेकार महान लोक बुदवंत हुशार आनी विचारवंत शेकड्याचे शेकडे पणजेचें शार एक राजधानी जावन गेलें सीट ऑफ पावर आनी गोंयच्या इतिहासांत पणजेचें शार विचारवंतांची भूंय सिटाडेल ऑफ विजडम म्हूण मानतात आनी आयज आमी हें पणजेचें शार पळयलें जाल्यार खूब दूख जाता आनी खूब वायट दिसता कित्याक पणजेच्या शारांत मुळाव्यो गरजेच्यो वस्तू म्हणल्यार बरे रस्ते लोकांक सोयीसरां उदक आमच्यो गाटर आमचे गार्बेजीचो प्रश्न आहा ड्रेन्स ज्यो आहा आनी खूब म्हत्वाचें ह्या पणजे शारांत जी बेकारी जी आहा ही एक भिरांकूळ गजाल जावन पेंजम टू काँग्रेस and we will give you a Congress government. It is nothing new. Our law says thou shalt not rob, thou shalt not steal. The BJP party has stolen, robbed the mandate of the people of Goa. And this mandate which was given by the people of Goa has to come back to the Congress. Goa has been taken backward.
So you have to go forward.
We have to look for good times. Goa's charm has been lost. Panjim's charm has been lost. Goa is not a poor state. Goa is one of the richest state in India, maybe the richest state in the world. But it is the mismanagement. But one thing I can assure you, we will not allow the abuse, the misuse of constitutional authorities like the office of the governor. Do you know what happened after these elections in the state of Goa? After the assembly elections, as per the procedure, it was the duty and responsibility of the governor to invite the single largest party. She has not invited, request you and appeal you to appeal to you, to the people of Panjim, to support Congress party. Because these elections are very, very important. To request the electorate in the Panjim constituency to support Congress, because Panjim needs a change.